This is my work of how to get by using the Thevenin's theorem. So it is the same the last my work. The R1 is 0.2, then the R2 is 0.3, then the R3 is 0.5. So there have 2 volts. I mean 2 volts. So the voltage 1 equals to 24 volts, then the voltage 2 equals to 26 volts. So step 1, find the RTH or the resistor Thevenin theorem. So draw a diagram like this, then like that, then the RTH equals to 0.2 summation of 0.3, so the answer is 0.12 ohm. So the step 2, use the KVL formula. So EA minus VA minus VB minus EB equals to 0. So our EA so arrange that. So 24 minus 0.2 IO. Then minus 0.3 times the load current equals to 26. I minus 26 equals to 0. So arrange that. Transpose 0.3 times current, load current equals to 26 minus 24. So the load current equals to negative 4 amps. So the VTH or the voltage Thevenin theorem equals to 26 minus 0.3 times 0 times negative 4. So the voltage Thevenin equals to 24.8 volts. So we have Thevenin theorem equivalent. So draw this diagram. We have 24.8 volts. Then the I1 of I1 of 0.12, then the IL of 0.5. So to get the IL, 24 current divider rule formula. So 24.8 over 0.12 plus 0.5. So the IL is 40 amps. So how to get the voltage load? So the formula of voltage load is IL times RL. So our IL equals to 40 amps. So our IL equals to 0.5. So times that, 20 volts. We have 20 volts. So phi IA and IB. So IE equals to, the formula is EA minus VL minus, divide by RA. So EA, we have 24, then VL minus VL, they have 20, and RA they have 0.2. So 24 minus 20 divided by 0.2, so the IA equals to 20 amps. So to get IB formula equals to IL minus IA. So IL we have 40 and the IA we have 20. So 40 minus 20 equals to 20 amps. So the IB is 20 amps. So find the battery power of each resistor. So PL, the formula is IL times VL. So our IL equals to 40, then VL equals to 20. So times that, 40 times 20, so our PL equals to 800 watts. So PA, so it is the same times. So PA equals to IA times VA. So our IA equals to 20, then the voltage 1 or VA equals to 24. So PA equals to 480 watts. So PB, it is the same. Get that? So times IB times VB. So our IB equals to, or the current B equals to 20. Then the voltage 2 or the VB equals to 420. Then 20 times 20 equals to 520 watts. I mean, there has a troubleshooting. So our VB, I mean, equals to 26. Ano man? So I mean, our PB equals to 520 watts. So to get the load power of each resistor, so PL, the formula PL equals to IL squared times RL. So our IL equals to 40. So you can square that and then times of RL with 0.5. So our PL equals to 800 watts. So PA, to get the PA, this is the same of PL. So IA squared times RA. So our IA equals 20. So square that, then times the RA with 0.2. So the answer of PA equals to 80 watts. And then the PB, it is the same. So IB squared times RB. So we have the IB of 20, then square that, then times the RB of 0.3, then the answer of PB is equals to 120 watts. So is that all?